I just can't stop myself taking photo of this beautiful flower tree. As I research from Google, its name is golden trumpet tree. Golden trumpet tree. Yeah, I remember it's golden trumpet tree. It's under our window. See? Very beautiful. How I wish we can have it in our place. Ay, mag-agi ang akon nga mga kaklase. My classmates magtapo ng basura every night.